Good morning, class. So yesterday what we have done? We have done sets. What is a set? And what else we have done? The representation of set. So again we will revise in short that set is what? A collection of anything, collection of things which are universal for everyone. Universal means that is well defined. That means what? I told you yesterday also that should not change from person to person. So the set is what? A well defined group of things which is the same for each and every person, like set of natural numbers, set of boys in your class, set of girls in your class. They will not change for anyone. Yeah. Next is representation of set we have done. Representation of set we have done in two forms. What were the two forms? Roster form and set builder form. In roster form, what we used to do? We used to write the set elements, the elements of the set inside the curly brackets, as well as what we used to do, we separate them like set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. So what it shows? The set of natural numbers. This is set of natural numbers denoted by N, or you can denote it by A also. So always a set is denoted by capital letter, and then all the elements of the set are represented inside curly brackets. Same thing can be written in set builder form. This is what your roster form. Now in set builder form, how we can write? We can write X such that X belongs to N. X such that X belongs to N. Is it enough? Yes, it's enough because X is belonging to N. X can take any value because I have taken from 1 to infinity. So this is your set builder form. Is it clear? We have discussed it yesterday. Then also I am giving you a brief of it so that things will be clear. Now I told you be ready with your NCERT so that we can do the first exercise. Now you just see the first exercise. Question number 1. Can you all see your book? If you can't see, please listen to me carefully. Right, which of the following are sets? Your first question is which of the following are sets? Clear? So which of the following are sets? First one, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. The collection of all the months of the year beginning with the letter J. What are the months which are beginning with the letter J? What are the months which are beginning with the letter J? January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, then anything is there? August, September, October, November, December, nothing is there. Is it clear? So the months starting with J are what? January, June, July. Is it clear? So is it universal or not? Is it a set or not? Is it a set or not? Now you can, we are doing the exercise, you can unmute yourself. Now you have to answer. Is
Yes,
it a, yes,
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine, fine. The one I will ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't answer everyone. I will ask any student. That student will only answer. Clear? The next part, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Who will answer? Mannat. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Is it a set or not? Mannat, unmute yourself. Yes. Mannat is there or not? Mannat, unmute yourself.
Only, yes, ma'am, I am here.
Yes. Is it a set? The 10 most talented writers of India. Is it a set? Who will answer? Parth, Soni, you answer. Parth.
No, ma'am.
I can't hear. Yes, Manas. Better unmute yourself.
No, ma'am, it's not a set.
It is
No,
not
ma'am,
a
it's
set.
not a set.
Very good, very good. Many are answering it is not a set. Now please mute yourself. It is not a set. Why? Why it is not a set? Because the 10 most talented writers will be different for different people. It will not be the same. Clear? It is not universal. So it is not a mathematical set. Clear? Next is the team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. The team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Will it be a set? No again.
No.
Same thing. Clear? No. Why? Why? Because
It is
again,
not universally colored.
it is not universal. Very good. Next one, the collection of all the boys in your class. The collection of all the boys in your class. Yes, it is a set. Yes, because when you see the list, this list will be the same for each and every person. It will not change. The boys will not change. Clear? Unless and until they leave the class. Clear? Unless and until they transfer or something else is there, then again the class will be the same. Clear? Next is the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
obviously. Clear? The next is a collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Collection of novels written by writer Munshi Premchand. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a set because whatever Munshi Premchand has written, the novels will be his only. It will not change. Clear? Person to person, it will not change. His best can change. His best novels can change. They can vary from person to person, but the novels will not change. The list of things which he has written will not change. Clear? Next is a collection of even integers. A collection of all even integers. Is it a set?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a set. Why it is a set? Because again, it is universal. So it's a very easy exercise. We'll do question number 2. Come to question number. Okay, 2 parts are remaining. The collection of questions in this chapter. The collection of questions in this chapter. Yes, the collection of questions in this chapter. Is it a set? Who will
Yes,
answer?
ma'am.
Is it a set?
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear. Is it a
Yes,
set?
ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then a collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Most
No.
dangerous animals. Again, it is no. Why it is no? Because the most dangerous animal will be different for me. Maybe it will be different for you or different for other people. Clear? Now come to the next question. I explained you the meaning of belongs to. Do you remember belongs to? The ones who don't remember, again I am telling you, whatever elements. Suppose this is your set A. So what we can write? January belongs to A. January belongs to A. Yes, always keep this thing in mind. We always write elements. Elements belong to the set. Elements belong to the sets. Elements belong to the set. Clear? Set is not belonging to anything. Clear? So when we are talking about belongs to, this is your symbol of belongs to. If we are talking about belongs to, what we can say? This January, yes, it is belonging. If I say February, does it belongs to A? February, does it belongs to A? No. So we will put a line here. February does not belongs to A. Why you are late? Yes, Jan. Please, students, be on time. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Clear? You will not understand things. So, same way, come to question number 2. I want answers from you, your side only. A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A is a set containing elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belong to or does not belong to. Clear? So, you just see 5 belongs to A. Is it correct? What symbol will come? Belongs to will come or not belongs to will come? Yes, Shruti Unyal. Shruti Unyal, unmute yourself and let me know. Shruti Unyal.
Belongs to.
Belongs to. Very good. Now next one. Now you can unmute yourself. The one I will ask will only give the answer. Rakshita, 8 belongs to A or 8 does not belongs to A?
Does not belongs to A.
Very good. 8 does not belong.
Does not belongs to A.
Very good, Rakshita. Then 0 belongs to A or 0 does not belongs to A? Sarab Anand. Sarab Anand. 0 belongs
Does
to.
not belongs to A.
Very good. Then 4 belongs to A or 4 does not belongs to A? Who will answer? Anyone can answer. 4 belongs to A. Very good. Next part. 2 belongs to A. Very good. Next is 10 belongs to A or does not belongs to A?
Does not.
Does not belong to it.
Very good. Very good. Now move to the next question. I think so this belongs to and does not belongs to must be clear to you all. Now next question is write the following set in roster form. Now again I told you roster form is very easy to write. Roster form is very easy to write. Now just see what we are going to do. Question number 3, first part. A is equal to x. X is an integer between -3 and 7. X is an integer. We can write it as a set. A is equal to set of integers from minus x is greater than -3. Greater than -3 means what? The values will be greater than -3 will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is less than 7. It is less than 7. It is not less than equal to. Equal to symbol is not there. So we will not consider equal to symbol is not there. Students are still joining. Please be on time. Clear? Students be on time. Otherwise, you won't be able to attend the class. Clear? Now just see. So what we are having? X is an integer from -3 to 7. -3, it is not equal to symbol is not the x is greater than -3. So greater than -3 will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next part you just see b is equal to what it is? X is a natural number less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. Why you people are again and again leaving and then joining? X is a natural number less than 6. So natural number less than 6 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it clear? This is your roster form. We are writing it in roster form. It is not written. The question is given in set builder form. We are writing it in roster form. Clear? Next is C part. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Clear? 2-digit natural number and sum should be what? 8. So if we put 1, then we will have 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 7, 1. These will be the elements. These will be the elements or not? Is it clear or not? Student, is it clear or not? Unmute yourself and tell me.
Ma'am, 80 will also come.
80.
80, sorry. Very good. Very good. 80 will also come. Clear? 80 will also. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Clear? Now, we'll move to the next part. Fourth part. Your fourth part is x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. What all numbers are divisor of 60? 2, 3, 5, and then 6 is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 does not. 11 is a prime. 12, 13. Yes. No, 13 is not. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 divided 16. No. 18. 18. No. 19. No. 20.
No.
20 is a composite number. 21. 21.
No.
So any other number? 22. 23.
No, ma'am.
No,
Only
ma'am.
number. That's it.
2, 3, 5.
Yes. So your answer will be what? 2, 3,
2, 3, and 5.
5.
5.
Clear. Next one is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Now your word is what? Trigonometry. So what all letters will come? Just see. You are having trigonometry. Trigonometry. Okay. So what are the letters? T, R, I, G, O
O
N.
N
वापस O
N.
आना है. O again we will not write. Just see. O is coming twice. So we have taken once. M. Yes, M. Then
E
E.
EY.
Again T is coming twice. We will not take. R is coming twice. Will not take.
Y.
Y. Is it clear? T R I G O N M E Y. Clear? So all the elements will not come. Only the elements which are repeating will come once only. Rest all elements will come. Clear? This we have discussed yesterday also. Next one is your set of all letters of the word better. Set of all letters of the word better. So what is your word better? B-E-T-T-E-R.
BET.
B E T
T R R
R.
E and T are repeating twice, so we will not come. It will not come. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Next question. Come to the next one. Write the following sets in set builder form. Now this one is an important question. Set builder form. Writing it in set builder form. For that you have to make the definition. Now see the first part. A part. 3, 6, 9, 12. Your roster form is what? 3, 6, 9, 12. How you can write this as? Can you see these are all what? Multiples of 3. These are all what? Multiples of 3. So what we can write? X, where such that X is equal to 3n. Can we write X is equal to 3n? X is equal to 3n. Where? Comma. N is what? N is
Natural
More
number.
than equal to 4.
and less than equal to 4.
4.
Less than equal to 4. Yeah? Greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. This will be your answer. Is it clear? Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next part is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Is it visible? Let me write it down here only. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Again, what it is? Multiples of 2. Now you can write, it's very easy. What we can do? X where such that X is equal to 2n, where n is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to, it is n, 2 to the power of n. It is what? 2 to the power of n. It is not 2n, it is 2 to the power of n. If we will take 2n, so it will come 2, 4, 6, everything will come. Clear? So it is what? 2 to the power of n. So 2 to the power of n can take the value 0. Sorry, not 0, n can take the value 1. So if 2 to the power of 1, 2, 2 to the power of 2, 4, 2 to the power of 3, 8, 2 to the power of 4, 16, 2 to the power of 5, 32. So n can be, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one. Is 5, 25, 125, 625. Same way. What it is? 5 to the power of? Is there a need
N.
to do? You will do it by
No,
yourself? Do it by
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. 5 to the power of n, where n is varying from, you can write 1 to 4. Then 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. 2, 4, 6, dot, dot, dot. Now this can be very good.
Infinity.
2,
N belongs
4,
to
6, dot, dot, dot. Now you can write this as x such that x belongs to 2n.
2n.
X belongs to 2n, where you can write n belongs to n. N belongs to n. You cannot. There is no need to write n is varying from this value to infinity. N belongs to what? N, natural numbers. So when you put the value of natural numbers, n is equal to 1, you will get 2, n is equal to 2, 4, n is equal to 3, 6, same way. Is it clear? Is it clear? If you will write that way also,
Yes, ma'am.
you can write in other ways also. Clear? These are what? Even natural numbers. You can write it in statement form also, x such that x is a even natural number. Then also it will be correct. If I write this way, x such that x is a even natural number, then also it was correct. So I told you in set builder form things are quite different. You can write in different ways. Is it clear? Clear? Then
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one,
Yes.
149 up to 100. 149 up to 100. Now what it is? 149.
N
N
square.
Very good, very good. 149 dot dot dot. So what it is? X
N
such that
square.
x is equal
N
to
square.
n square, where
N square.
n belongs to
N
n.
1 to 10.
N belongs to n, natural numbers. Clear? X
But
is equal to
n will be less than equal to 10 in this.
Ma'am, because last value 100 is given in the question.
Acha, last value. Sorry. I thought dot 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 is there. It is 100. Last value is given. So n belongs to n, and n is
1 to
less
10.
than 11.
10.
Less than 10 क्यों? 10 तो
11.
आएगा ना?
Less
Ma'am,
than,
less than
11.
equal to
11.
10.
Less than equal to 10. Very
to
good.
10.
Yes. Now again, either you write n is less than 11 or less than equal to 10. Both are correct. Clear?
yes.
Anyways, you can
Yes,
write.
ma'am.
Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now next question. Let's solve the elements of the following set. Now this I will not do. You have to tell me. X is an odd natural number. Very easy. X is an odd natural number. Rakshita.
Yes, ma'am.
X is an odd natural number. List
135 dot dot dot.
Very good. 135 dot dot dot. Next one, x is an integer. X is an integer varying from -half to 9/2. -half.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
0 by 2. 0. Very good. 0 and
Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 will not
0,
come
1,
because-
2, 3, 4.
No, 0.
Okay. Quite for a
Yes,
while.
ma'am.
Quite for a while. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 9/2 is what? 4.5. So 4.5, what we can say 4.5 will, less value of integer is 4 only. 4.5 is not an integer. Clear? Then next one is x is an integer where x square is less than 4. X is an integer where x square is less than 4. Yes.
minus
-1,
1,
-2,
0, 1, 2.
0, 1.
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
Very good. -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. Clear? Next is x is a month of the year not having 31 days. X is the month of the year not having 31 days. What it will be not having 31 days?
February.
February.
April.
Yeah. All
April,
know.
June,
April.
Yes, you can write the months which
September.
are having
September,
30 days.
November.
Listen. The months which are having 30 days plus February. Clear? Next.
Yeah.
Next, you are having X is a letter of the word loyal. So, what are the words? L-O-Y-A.
O,
Y, A.
A.
Okay.
O, Y, A.
Next one, X is the month of the year not having 31 days. This we have done, sorry. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Consonants are what? Which are not vowels. So, A not come. B,
B,
C,
C,
D,
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 F,
E will not come. F, G,
G,
H, I will not come. J,
J.
K, which precedes K. It is written which precedes K. So, K will not
J.
come. Clear? Till J. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, matchups is there. Now, you can do it by yourself. Clear? Your next, thank you class. We'll do it tomorrow. Okay.